In this video, I'm going to show you how to invert color in Photoshop. Now, as you can see, I have some text here, and usually, if you are using anything else than a text, for example, if I screenshot this and make this text an image over here, and I try to invert it, you can usually invert it by pressing Ctrl and I. So if you have an image, pressing Ctrl and I will do the job and will invert your image. But if you have texts or something different, sometimes you're not allowed to invert and there's nothing you can do about it, or at least so you may have thought. Now, if you go up here to your image, adjustments, as you can see, this isn't an image, so you can't invert it. As you can see, it says invert, but it's grayed out. Now, what you could do is right click on this and press rasterize type, and then go to image, adjustments, and then you can invert. The problem here is this is not really inverting. As you can see, it kind of just deleted all the text whatsoever. Now, what you want to do though, and kind of keep this editable as a text file or any other file, you want to go to window up here and make sure to toggle these adjustments. Now, once you click this, you want to make sure there's a check mark next to it. As you can see, adjustments tab popped up here on the right. It'll pop up somewhere on the screen for you, usually here on the right, but it may be somewhere different if you have a different setup. Now, as you can see, once that's available, you'll be able to see a bunch of single adjustments. Make sure you have the layer you would like to invert selected and look for this thing over here, which says create a new invert adjustment layer. Once you click this, as you can see, the invert layer has been added to my text, or it's been added above my text. Now, it will affect all the things below it. So if I kind of drag this text above it, as you can see, and now hide this, there we go. It kind of affects all the things that are below it, but not the ones that are above it, which is quite fun and quite good about it, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much how you invert things that cannot be inverted otherwise. Just open up the adjustments, add this invert layer, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.